Hello children, welcome to Rishikul Online School. This is Veena and I welcome you in module 1 of the chapter Landscape of the Soul. Yes children, this is chapter 4 of your textbook Hornbill and it is written by Nath Ali Trovroy. Now introduction to the author. Nath Ali Trovroy is an art historian who was born on 2nd February 1975. She came in limelight because of her translated work City of Zins, a book by William Dalrymple. She is the wife of Belgian ambassador to India. She has traveled various cities of the world with her husband. She holds a master's degree in history of art and archaeology from University of Belgium. She plans to write her next book on Old Delhi architecture like Jama Masjid and Chandni Chowk. Now let us know the theme. This story is a beautiful illustration of art by the author. In this chapter, you will see different art forms being compared and the interpretation of these paintings from the artist's perspective. The author tries to show a comparison of the different art forms based on regions. This chapter deals with the stories and myths circulating famous paintings in ancient times. The focus is laid on how realistic the paintings were and how beautifully created. Now, introduction to the chapter. In this story, Landscape of the Soul, the author presents two instances of paintings to show the beauty and difference in the perception of painters. The first instance is about a Chinese painter who paints a landscape with utmost precision for the emperor. The emperor appreciates the outer beauty of the painting, but the artist reveals to him the true meaning of his work. As the story proceeds, it conveys that the emperor may rule within the kingdom, but the artist is the only one who knows his painting within. He is able to travel in his painting, whereas the emperor is unable. It shows that the painter is able to imagine his painting with his perception, but the emperor can only see what lies before the eyes and not within. The second instance is about a blacksmith called Quinton Metzes. He falls in love with the painter's daughter and realizes that the painter will never accept a blacksmith to be his son-in-law. Quinton sneaks into the painter's studio and paints a fly with such a realistic view, the painter accepts him as an apprentice in his studio. He eventually marries his beloved and becomes a famous painter. This chapter makes you understand the importance of imagination and how painters have different perceptions. The art form need not be viewed according to a single perception. There can be many ways to imagine one single painting. So this was the introduction to the chapter, Landscape of the Soul. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.